Elon Musk did his, or is it, I suppose it's an AGM or a conference call, they call it over there. It's our sort of version of an AGM.
Yeah, it's going through that. We have like a period here, which we're going through now. It's actually quite an exciting week. I guess locally we're looking at a lot of quarterly updates and AGMs and stuff. And yeah, Tesla had theirs. He's always an interesting man to listen, speak to.
Very ambitious man, isn't he?
He said he came out like a rocket out of the gates, pardon the pun there, but he certainly came in and it was all the buzz of electricity. Get that one too.
The bad joke. That's pretty good. I'll rate that one. I'll give you that one.
Very good. And he's what he said. He said their production's on track. They lowered their guidance very slightly, and then he dropped the bombshell that he reckons Tesla's going to be bigger than Apple and Saudi Aramco put together.
Which we'll have a look at the market cap, isn't it?
Crazy.
That would be about 4 trillion.
About 4.2 trillion.
Combined market cap.
Yeah, we'll have a look at a couple of figures first, and then we'll delve a little bit into Elon Musk trying to construct them himself. So Tesla missed on the top line. So their revenue growth rose to 21.5 billion. The expectation was 22.1. So they missed on the top line at revenues, but they did hit expectations on earnings. So bottom line, they actually were in line. And as he said, there was a few bottlenecks. There's supply issues. So not just businesses like Tesla, but a lot of businesses are still
That's actually quite incredible, when you think about the fact that we're still only just coming out of COVID. Like, it's still very much, like, for him to have done that, I mean, think about a year ago. A year ago, people were still locked at home. Do you know what I mean? Like,
exactly right.
The landscape a year ago was very different to what it is now.
Yeah, so it's the sentiment now has really shifted towards Tesla. So many people have been so bullish on the business for so long, and a lot of businesses are really starting to sort of pull that back a little bit. There's a business in the US, which is involved a hedge fund called Wedbush Securities. They've been a long-term bull on the company. They've been bullish on Tesla now for about 7 years. They've actually slashed their price target to $300 from 360. So the sentiment is shifting a little bit. I think Tesla has always been a business that's had excellent growth strategies in place. Have seemed to hit expectations, top and bottom line, for some time now. But I think the landscape at the moment is struggling. Not just for Tesla, but a lot of people. And the US dollar obviously is still surging as well. So a lot of issues across the board for multinational companies that is causing issues